ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ-ഇലക്ട്രോണിക്സ് കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 427/2023 പേപ്പർ കോഡ് 037/2024 ഏപ്രിൽ 12 നടന്ന കോഡ് ബിയുടെ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിൽ ഉടൻ തന്നെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഇത് ആൻസർ കീ മാത്രമുള്ള വീഡിയോ ആണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. In a forward biased PN junction, first one, the width of depletion region is reduced. The junction offers low resistance. The magnitude of current depends on the applied voltage. Which statements is or are correct? Answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, all are correct. എല്ലാം കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. Second one, when select source of trigger signal as internal INT in CRO from where the trigger signal is generated. Answer is option B, part of the signal to be viewed. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not an effect of open circuit in a series connected circuit? Answer is option D, high current flows in the circuit. Question number 4. Capacitors are electronic components which can store electric energy in the form of. Answer is option A, electric charge. Question number 5. The statements is or are correct for both the series and parallel combination of resistance. First one, the total resistance is the sum. The applied voltage is same across each resistor. The total power is equal to the sum of power dissipated by each resistor. നമുക്കിത് കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാവും, സീരീസ് സർക്യൂട്ടിൽ മാത്രമാണ് റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ടോട്ടൽ സമ്മ്. അതുപോലെ ദ അപ്ലൈഡ് വോൾട്ടേജ് ഈസ് സെയിം അക്രോസ് ദ ഈച്ച് റെസിസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പാരലൽ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ്റെ കേസിലുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ പവർ മാത്രമാണ് സീരീസിലും പാരലൽ കോമ്പിനേഷനിലും സെയിം. ബോത്തിനും ട്രൂ ആയുള്ള കാര്യം പറയുന്നത് തേർഡ് വൺ ആണ്. സോ ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, 3 ഓൺലി. ട്രാൻസ്ഫോമർ കനോട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ഡി സി എനർജി ഫ്രം പ്രൈമറി ടു സെക്കൻഡറി ബിക്കോസ്. ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, ഡി സി കനോട്ട് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ്. 7th one, the degree to which any transformer approaches the ideal condition is called. Answer is option A, efficiency. The DC output voltage in terms of peak value of secondary voltage Vs peak in half-wave rectifier is. Answer is option B, 0.318 Vs peak. Question number 9. Zener diodes are. Answer is option C, heavily doped with a sharp peak breakdown voltage in reverse biased condition. Question number 10. The PMMC instruments has uniform scale and can cover an arc up to. Answer is option B, 270 degree ആണ്. It is not 180 degree. Answer is option B, 270 degree. അത് മാറിപ്പോയതാണ്. ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ്, 270 degree. Question number 11. Auto transformers used for variable or voltage operation are referred to the trade name of. Answer is option D, variac. Thin film resistors are made by a method of vacuum deposition the resistive material onto an insulating substrate. This process is called sputtering. Answer is option A. The value of time constant RC at which the charging or discharging of capacitor is complete as per universal time constant curve. Answer is option B, 5 RC. The value of capacitor should not be excessively large as this will increase the value and duration of which quantity in the case of bridge rectifier. Answer is option D, surge current. Question number 15. In a transformer, the power loss due to eddy current is directly proportional to. Answer is option C, frequency of current. Question number 16. The analysis of static electric charges and their forces is or are called. Answer is option B, electrostatics. Question number 17. Which one of the following statements is true for 3-phase AC supply? Answer is option A, reduction of copper consumption. Question number 18. For sinusoidal AC, ratio of effective value to average value of half cycle is termed as. Answer is option D, form factor. Question number 19. Which one of the following statement is not the main characteristics of parallel resonance circuit at a resonance? Answer is option C, voltage leading with the current. Question number 20. As in the case of moving iron instruments, the deflecting torque is proportional to. Answer is option A, square of the magnetic field. Question number 21. In a half wave rectifier DC output voltage in terms of Vs RMS. Answer is option A, 0.45 Vs RMS. Question number 22. Which parameter is maintained constant in Zener diode? Answer is option C, voltage. What is the formula used to calculate the current gain? Alpha, bracket alpha, alpha of common base amplification. Answer is option D, IC by IE. Transistors packaging is generally used for low power amplification. Is plastic packaging, option B. Question number 25. If the operating point in a transistor changes, then it results in. Answer is option B, unfaithful amplification. 26. In a transistor, which layer is heavily doped? Answer is option A, emitter. 27. The current ICBO flows in. Answer option A, collector and base leads. 28. The emitter resistor Re bypassed by a capacitor. Option D, stabilizes the Q point. Question number 29. The most cost-effective material for a heat sink is. Answer is option A, aluminium. 30. What is the package type for the JFET BFW10? Answer is option D, T072. What are the terminals in IGBT? Answer is option A, emitter, collector and gate. Question number 32. Track is very similar to that of two SCR connected in. Answer is option C, reverse parallel. 33. The output characteristics of a FET are similar to that of dash valve. Answer is option C, pentode valve. 34. SCR is an acronym for. Answer option A, silicon controller rectifier. A diode has dash terminals. Answer is option B, 2. 36. A UJT is switched on when input voltage becomes equal to. Answer is option A, peak point voltage. 37. Which insulation material is used in MOSFET? Answer is option B, silicon dioxide. 38. Impurity used for making P-type semiconductor material is gallium. Option B. 39. The space charge region in a junction diode contains charges that are. Answer is option C, fixed donor and acceptor ions. Forbidden energy gap in semiconductors. Answer is option A, lies between valence band and conduction band. 41. When a PN junction is reverse biased, then the junction capacitance is. Answer is option C, increases as the reverse bias is decreased. 42. What is the process of adding impurities to a pure semiconductor material? Answer is option A, doping. 43. In a parallel resonance circuit, the impedance is dash at a resonant frequency. Answer is B, maximum. The rate of change of the output voltage of op-amp is called slew rate. Option B. Which of the following statement is or are correct about instrumentation amplifier? First one, high gain accuracy. Second one, high CMRR, high noise, low input impedance. Answer is option A, only 1 and 2. 46. Which of the following statement is or correct about an ideal op-amp? First one, zero input impedance. Second one, infinite bandwidth. Third one, infinite output impedance. Fourth one, zero offset. Answer is option D, only 2 and 4 are correct. 47. For a common base amplifier, which of the following statement is or are wrong? First one, low input impedance, low output impedance, high current gain, very high current gain. Answer is option B, only 1 and 4 are correct. Wrong. Only 1 and 4 are wrong. 48. In a 3-input NAND gate, the number of states where output is 0 are. Option C, 1. 49. DCVS means. Answer is option A, differential cascade voltage switch. 50. Medium scale integration contains option B 10 to 100 gate is the answer. The number of loads connected to a gate is called. Answer is option A fan out. The speed of the low power Schottky is answer option A 10 nanosecond. 53. In a 4 line to 16 line decoder, dash number of decoding gates are required. Answer is option C 16. 54. Dash gate is used as a parity checker. Answer is option D XOR. A decade counter requires dash flip-flops. Answer is option B 4. 56. IC 74198 is answer is option D parallel in parallel out. 57. The binary equivalent of a decimal fraction is obtained by the number continuously by 2. Answer is option D dividing. 58. The number of AND gates in IC 7411 is answer is option C 3. 59. The maximum number of 2-input NAND gates required to implement a 2-input XOR gate is answer is option A 4. How many types of number systems are there? Option is D is the correct answer 4. The select lines required for an 8 line to 1 line multiplexer is option C 3 is the correct answer. The number of inputs required to a 4 to 16 decoder is answer is option B 4. When a transistor is cut off, the VC is approximately equal to answer is option C VCC. The gain of amplifiers falls at lower and higher frequencies due to answer is option A capacitor coupling. 65. For dash frequency amplification, high values of L and C are required. Answer is option D low. Which of the following statement is or are correct about Microsoft Word? First one, Ctrl plus F can be used to insert navigation pane. Cross references are inserted as hyperlinks by default. Same letter cannot be sent to multiple recipients by using mail merge. Answer is option B only 1 and 2. Which of the following option displays pages exactly as they will appear in printouts in Microsoft Excel? Answer is option B page layout view. 68. Which of the following protocol is or are operate at the transport layer? TCP, IP, UDP. Answer is option D only 1 and 3, that is TCP and UDP. 69. Which of the following networking devices can connect multiple wired or wireless networks together? Answer is option D router. Which of the following decodes and executes instructions stored in memory? Answer is option B control unit. 71. What is the propagation speed of a radio wave? That is option A 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What is the range of medium wave frequency in AM broadcasting? Answer is option C 530 kHz to 1650 kHz. 73. Which high gain antenna is used for point-to-point communication? Answer is option C parabolic antenna. 74. Why the modulation index is kept within limits in AM modulated signal transmission? Answer is option C to reduce distortion. 75. Which IC can be used as a linear amplitude modulator with no external components? Answer is option D AD633. 76. Which process in digital signal processing is the mapping of a large set of input values to a smaller set? Answer is option A quantization. 77. Which devices are preferred for long distance and high data transmission rate in optical fiber communication? Answer is option D laser diode. 78. Which type of optical fiber is used in telephone and television signal communication? Answer is option B single mode optical fiber. 79. Which outer optical material of the OFC protects the core and reflects the light back into the core? Answer is option C cladding. 80. Which theorem provides a prescription for the nominal sampling interval required to avoid aliasing? Answer is option D Nyquist sampling theorem. 81. How many pins of the microcontroller IC 8051 are dual purpose? Answer is option B 24. 82. Which section in IC 8051 is running on external clock source? Answer is option C counter. How the MCS51 family microcontrollers perform the basic logic operation? Answer is option C on both bit and byte operands. 84. In which instruction set of 8051 microcontroller the address object instructions are grouped? Answer is option A, data transfer. 85. What is the purpose of connecting a divide by 12 network to the oscillator output in 8051 microcontroller? Answer is to generate 1 MHz timer input frequency. 86. Which among the following is the maximum safe current that can pass continuously through a fuse without overheating? Answer is option C, current rating. What is the power rating of fractional horsepower motors? Answer is option A, less than 1 HP. 88. In which of the following arrangement the centrifugal switch is connected in a capacitor start induction motor? Answer is option B, series with the starting winding. 89. Which motors are used widely in industries and in irrigation pump sets where fairly constant speed with a high efficiency is required? Answer is option A, squirrel cage induction motors. 90. Which of the following statement is or are correct? First one, the current rating of rewirable fuse used for domestic wiring is up to 200 ampere. Second one, the current rating of cartridge type fuse used for domestic wiring is up to 1250 ampere. Third one, the current rating of rewirable fuse used for domestic wiring is up to 200 milliampere. The current rating of cartridge type fuse used for domestic wiring is up to 1250 milliampere. Answer is option C, only 1 and 2 is. Question number 91. PT100 sensor has a resistance of. Answer is option B, 100 ohm at 0 degree Celsius. 92. A strain gauge having a resistance of 500 ohm and a gauge factor 3 is bonded onto a member of structure under tensile stress. The percentage strain suffered by the member if the change in resistance of the gauge is accurately measured as 1.5 ohm is. Answer is option A, 0.001. 93. The resistance hygrometer is used to measure. Answer is option B, relative humidity. 94. The specific gravity of lead acid battery under discharged condition is. Answer is option A, 1.11 to 1.14. 95. The diode connected in opposite and parallel with the solar panel to protect the from any damage is. Answer is option D, bypass diode. 96. The power device is used for switching purpose in computer SMPS is. Option A, MOSFET. 97. The forward converter type SMPS is. Answer is option C, DC to DC buck converter. 98. The transformer used in servo voltage stabilizer is. Answer is option B, toroidal auto transformer. 99. That sensor which detect the presence of object without any physical contact is. Answer is option C, proximity sensor. Question number 100. The device which is used to convert force into electrical signal is. Answer is option A, load cell. ഈ വീഡിയോൻ്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഉടനെ നമ്മൾ ചാനലിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. താങ്ക് യു.